Hey guys, this is Vidilicious review. What if you could read your viewer's mind and get over 30x more engagement and sales from your videos? Create drop dead gorgeous interactive videos that captivate and get buyers like never before in less than 45 seconds. Easily create interactive videos by recording your webcam, screen capture, upload from your computer, or import from third-party apps. YouTube. Replace boring plain text and email messages with personalized video messages and add interactive elements and call to action buttons. Run video email or video SMS campaigns to increase your open rates and click-through rates by over 300%. Make viewers take action with relevant call to actions such as schedule a demo button / visit website button, etc. Add public booking links and manage your scheduling with Calendly, Callifyme, Booklikeaboss, etc. from right inside your videos. State-of-the-art transcoding / encoding video technology to ensure buffer-free viewing experience. Built-in futuristic page builder creates high-converting video sales pages. Create and access separate workspaces for different clients. Free video hosting. Plus 100% newbie-friendly. Vidilicious helps you create stunning interactive videos that get captivates and converts. In 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create, upload video, or import from YouTube. Step 2. Customize. Step 3. One-click embed on your website, email and send. Just name the kind of videos. And Vidilicious creates, hosts, and even markets them for you within minutes. Sales videos and VSLs. Draw in wide-ranging viewership. Product demos. Help viewers visualize what they're purchasing. Affiliate review videos. Make a lot of money by selling. Affiliate deals. Training and webinar reruns. Profit from the newest and most recent trends. Videos for your blogs. Make your readers' experience better. Training videos. Help your customers without the need for assistance. Video ad campaigns. Market more successfully and profitably. And the list goes on. Examples of interactive videos created with Vidilicious. And now, take a look at some of the high-in-demand services you can offer for big bucks. Video emails marketing services. Video SMS marketing services. Omni-channel marketing services. Interactive video creation services. Interactive video marketing services. Video automation and workflow services. Screen recording services. Lead conversion and lead nurturing services. Video interaction and video engagement services. Deep contact level tracking data services. Booking services. Lead generation services. Video communication services. Data-driven lead analytics services. Web design services. Video translation services. Video transcription services. Text-to-speech services. Email marketing services. SMS marketing services. Sales automation services. Video hosting services. Lead scoring and management services. Traffic generation services. Video testimonial services. Deals management services. Business enhancement and management services. Why users are absolutely falling in love with Vidilicious. Start getting a tsunami of viewers, leads and sales. High-quality leads. Boost your conversions with active viewership to generate qualified leads. Immersive videos. Help your videos rank better, resulting in more organic traffic by engaging your viewers, making them watch your videos for longer periods of time. Increased sales. Customers on the fence will also buy or act instantly because of the call to action feature, right inside the video. Higher profits. The video itself is turned into a landing page or registration page, which saves time and work. To get such results you need interactive videos. Here are some numbers and facts to prove that interactive videos are the future of video marketing in 2022 and beyond. Interactive videos are essential for businesses looking to adapt to Web 3.0. Facebook has committed its entire brand to the metaverse, and with it potentially billions of dollars of resources. People have been dreaming of something like the metaverse for years. Just think of all the science fiction films and TV over the years, where holograms and virtual reality were used to provide people with escape. This type of technology has the potential to be the biggest business of all time because it will provide people with the ability to immediately transport themselves to another place or even time. It's transformative. What does this mean for you? Marketers and online businesses will need to develop content that is product-specific, unique, and clearly defines target customers. Marketers will need to segment and target their customers more specifically and provide the consumers with a more personalized and localized shopping experience. By understanding consumption and buying patterns and specific user behavior. This is where interactive videos become so crucial. Create, host, market and sell. Interactive videos. For the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds. At an unbeatable one-time price. Proudly presenting Vidilicious. World's #1 AI-powered interactive video creation platform. Just name the kind of videos. And Vidilicious creates, hosts, and even markets them for you within minutes. Product demos. Help viewers visualize what they're purchasing. Check out Vidilicious's amazing features. Record upload videos. Whether you want to record with webcam or screen record, upload from the desktop, record from third-party apps, or import videos directly from YouTube. It's never been easier to create and share videos that get results. Convert with videos. Now replace boring plain text and email messages with personalized video messages. Vidilicious enables you to add interactive call-to-action buttons in your video to make your prospects take the action that you want them to. Streamlined video marketing. Vidilicious enhances your video marketing by letting viewers take the action that you desire them to, with relevant call to actions such as schedule a demo button / visit website button, etc. You can also create and send personalized, trackable video messages through popular third-party platforms such as Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, SMS. Personalized video communication. Vidilicious makes it really easy to record your screen on the go. You can quickly record any type of video, be it product videos or how to explainer videos. Record them all with ease. You can also request for video replies from your viewers and allow your customers to share their experience with short video testimonials. Organize your brands into independent workspaces. As an agency freelancer or local marketer, rendering services to different clients, say hello to the new advanced workspace that organizes your different clients into workspaces. Just log into your account and select the workspace you want to work from. They are all independent of one another. Build your highly targeted list. Vidilicious provides you with intelligence forms and CTAs to create highly targeted and high-paying leads that are ready to buy from you. Drive marketing decisions. Nurture leads with targeted follow-up content based on user preferences and engagement data. Check out Vidilicious. Amazing features. 100 videos. 10 GB storage. Space. 25 GB. Bandwidth. Direct upload. Record video, audio. With screen share. Record audio and video. PIP mode. Recording. Import videos in one click from external source. Upload / record / publish videos. Video. Hosting creation. Video. Engagement. Interactive video engagement platform. SMS email. Campaign. Video emails. And video SMS. Page builder. Chrome. Extension. Third-party app. Video creation. LinkedIn. Integration. GIFs. Tags. Workspaces. CTAs. Virtual. Background. Video. Security. QR code bio link. Customize intro and outro. Video testimonials. Customize video thumbnails. Visitor analytics. Autoplay videos. Embed video on any website. Share video as a widget. Create playlists. Trim videos. SEO friendly. Embed codes. Password protection. Private link sharing. Player customization. Visibility and privacy controls. Customize colors and components. Optimize videos, images, and files. Live transcoding after recording. State-of-the-art transcoding encoding video technology. Get endless benefits. A. AI-powered technology. Through this advanced technology, you obtain a golden ticket to the future of video marketing. Professional tools. Vidilicious will take your video marketing to the next level with multiple easy-to-use tools made by our team of professionals. Video tutorial. Ensure you are taking maximum advantage of the amazing technology with step-by-step video tutorials. 24/7 customer service. Get access to all-round assistance with our team of experts who will be available to you 24/7 to get you through any technical query. Collaborate with experts. Allow your A-team to work with you by giving them access to this tool and allowing them to collaborate with you. Cloud-based functioning. No need to download anything. Get access at any time, from anywhere, using any device. The auto-update technology will also guarantee that you have access to the latest technology at all times. Plus, you get these exclusive bonuses. For a limited time only. Bonus number 1. Free commercial license. During this launch special offer, we will be offering you free upgrade to the commercial license. With this free commercial access, you can create and sell interactive video as a service to clients for top dollar and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Bonus number 2. Practical over-the-shoulder training on how to create a six-figure income with Vidilicious. Real-world value, $1,997. We are pulling back the curtain to reveal behind the scenes on how to create a six-figure income online using the powerful features built into Vidilicious. You simply watch over our shoulder as we explain every step along the way so you can copy and paste this process for your own success. Bonus number 3. VIP access to Steve Tari 24/7 private Skype business accelerator and coaching group. You will get instant access to my VIP private business accelerator and coaching group. Come and copy your way to success without worrying about reinventing the wheel. Get instant access to case studies of other users who are using Vidilicious to maximize revenues, leads and sales of themselves and their customers. Bonus number 4. Freelance marketing video course, worth $97. Working directly with clients can lead to a high income with a lot of personal freedom. This course will work for you whether you just want to start a home-based business or want to build a big design, animation or video agency with Vidilicious. Bonus number 5. Free advertising credits worth $600 $800. We are giving you free advertising credits worth $600 $800 on premium networks like LinkedIn, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, etc. This is a limited time bonus which would be taken down really soon. Bonus number 6. Professionally made Vidilicious Interactive Video Academy, valued at $2,997. To further make Vidilicious a frictionless point-and-click profit maker, we have created a full-blown Vidilicious family. The training videos take you from beginner level to becoming a proficient user of the Drip interactive video platform and also help you start and run a profitable agency business using the platform. We've broken the entire use cases of Vidilicious and all its features into actionable, easy-to-follow steps that take you from a beginner to seasoned interactive video marketer and campaigner. This academy was originally created for our $2,997 per year VIP members, but with their permission, we're making it available to those who pick up their access today. Bonus number 7. White label license to freelance marketplace. When you grab your Vidilicious license today, you'll be given white label access to a professional freelancing marketplace platform that comes with premium features to take your interactive video business and agency to a higher level.